Hello traders, in today's video I'll be showing you an over 7 strategy, okay? And a caution as you start, this is one of the riskiest, okay? So would I advise you to trade it? No. But is it good to trade and can it lead to you becoming profitable? Yes, it can, okay? And that is why I'll be looking directly into it. Now, when it comes to over 7, it is in the critical danger zone area. The critical danger zone area is whereby you approach 7 and 8. Okay, because the risk is extremely high. That is why you can see the profit margin is 371% because the risk here is over 100%. It is so high. Okay, yeah, anytime in trading Deriv and you see the percentage for the profit has crossed 100, just know you're entering a very risky market, and that is why the profit margin is extremely high. Okay, now how do you trade over 7? I'll go directly into it without wasting any other time. And as I said, guys, classes are ongoing. If you're interested, WhatsApp me. And if you need materials, I'm here. Please WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. Now, how do you trade over 7? First of all, ensure 0 has the red circle or has the red percentage, and ensure 9 has the green circle or has the green percentage. All right. The other requirement, ensure 9 is above 12.5% and ensure 0 is below 8.5 or even 8%. Okay, we want it to be as low as it can be. Okay, so ensure 9 is above 12.5 and ensure 0 is below 8.5, but the lower it is, the better. Okay, so that is the first condition. Okay, the second condition, ensure 7, 8 and 9, ensure 7 and 8 are above 10.7%. I repeat, ensure 7 and 8 are above 10.7. The reason for this is because we want the over market to be as strong as possible and you don't want it to be compromised in any single way, shape or form. Okay, and guys, if you're trading over 7 and you see the percentages of 7, 8 or 9 decreasing by even 0.1%, run out of that market. It shows us that market is very unstable and it might lead us to a lot of losses. All right, yeah, so ensure 7, 8 and 9 are either 10.7 constantly or are above, are increasing, but they should not decrease, because anytime over 7 is predicted, it will lead to losses, because as I've said, it is very difficult for the market to favor over 7. So if we compromise any of the strategies, it will lead to us experiencing a loss. Okay, so you want over 7 to be as strong as it can be, with the numbers below it being as weak as they can be. Because as I said, in over under, it is like a seesaw. Once one side is strong, the other is weak. So if over 7 is strong, obviously the lower side will become weak. Okay, and when it comes to this strategy, if you're using a bot, you'll just run to your bot, set it up and run it. You don't have to do any timing. Okay, you don't have to do any timing. Now, when it comes to trading manually, now this is where it becomes tricky. What do I mean? When you're trading manually, you have 2 entry points. You'll either wait for a minimum of 3 to 4 numbers to be touched, with 1 being the last, and then you press over. What do I mean? It can be 6, 5, 4, and then 1, you press over because 1 is the last one. It can be 6, 4, 3, 1, that is okay. 6, 4, 1, that is okay. Okay, but ensure before 1 is touched, 2 or 3 other numbers have been touched before 1, but 1 should be the last. So that is the first entry point. For the second entry point, you wait for this ticker to touch 0 and then you press over. All right, you just wait for that ticker to touch 0 and then you press over. You might be asking why. Now, anytime you're trading over 7 or over 8, all right, anytime this ticker touches 0, it usually jumps to 9. I don't know why that occurs, but it usually happens. Okay, yeah, so anytime you'll see that it has touched 0 alone, you press over. Okay, but this only applies to over 7 and over 8. Okay, yeah, and or you can wait for the ticker to touch 3 other numbers, with 1 being the last, and then you press over. But that is it. But I can advise you to use a bot, because a bot will be better at even recovering losses. Again, ensure you have enough capital so that you can be able to recover your losses comfortably. All right, yeah, so that you can be able, in over under, you can recover your loss using the same stake you are using. If I was using $1 and I lose $1, I only need $1 to recover my other dollar. So it is recovering losses is very easy. And again, losses will be there. I won't guarantee it is a 100% strategy. No, losses will be there, but it is up to you to ensure you have enough capital and you use the proper risk management guidelines, like using a target profit and a stop loss to avoid any losses that might occur. Okay, but if you have a bot, please use it. And as I've said, if you don't have bots, WhatsApp me. My number is in the description. I will give you more than 100 of the best bots in the Deriv. These are bots that you'll remain with for life without anyone interfering with them. Okay, yeah, but that, guys, that is basically over 7. Would I advise you to trade it? No. Okay, as I said, in the Deriv, you can make a lot of profit using the low risk strategies like over 3 or over 2. A lot of people are making good earnings every single day consistently by trading over 3 and under 7. So first of all, before you go to and trade over 7, ensure you have mastered over 1, over 2, over 3, over 4, over 5, over 6 before you go to over 7. Okay, Yeah. Even before you go to over 2, ensure you've mastered over 1. Before you go to over 3, ensure you've mastered over 2. Okay, go in stages. You cannot jump. Okay, you have to master them as they come. Okay, but it is really nice in Deriv. First focus on the over 1, over 2, under 8, under 7, and then now go progressing towards the risky markets. Okay. If you have enjoyed this video, ensure you leave a like, and please ensure you subscribe. It will be really appreciated. And please share to anyone who's trading Deriv so that they don't miss out whenever we upload new videos. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Keep trading, guys. Keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.